Imagine walking into Walmart and finding your $20 toy now costs $60. Yes, you heard that right. Look at this Jurassic World T-Rex toy. It was $20. Now it's $60. That's a 200% price hike. Groceries, electronics, cleaning supplies, all up by 38% or more. People are stunned and the internet is buzzing. Check out Reddit threads, TikTok clips. Everyone's talking about this Walmart price shock. Is this even legal? Take the baby-born doll. It jumped from $34.97 to $49.97. That's over $15 more for the same exact doll. No changes, just more dollar. So why is this happening? Well, Walmart's CFO says it loud and clear. Trump-era tariffs are driving up costs on imported goods. But that's just the start. Look at this bag of chips. It's shrinking while the price stays the same. That's called shrinkflation. It's a hidden ripoff. Even bananas are hit, from 50C to 54C a pound, but it gets worse. Car seats? They're expected to cost $100 more. That's not just inflation, that's danger. Social feeds turned into rage zones. Reddit, Twitter, packed with price shock stories. People are asking, are we being played? Corporate greed, shrinkflation, it feels like silent theft. So how do you outsmart the system? Shop in store, buy in bulk, pick store brands, and don't sleep on loyalty perks like Walmart Plus. Smart shopper moves, in-store online, bulk up, store brands, loyalty =sign saved. This isn't just inflation, it's a financial ambush. Know the game, beat the system, or get buried by it. Beat the bubble. Subscribe for smart money moves every week. At Wealth Revelations. Watch next 7 money habits that are secretly making you broke. Subscribe at Wealth Revelations.